For this video, I'm going to be trying watermelon look. First is to spray a mist of Caudalie Beauty Elixir, then hyaluronic acid with, of course, eye cream from Caudalie as well. So just massage the eye area and ready for my moisturizer, which is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. Super nice. Now I'm going to do my brows with Sunnie's Face Lifebrow in taupe. I love this naturally looking brows. This is my thing. Then we're moving on to eyeshadow. So this one is from Beauty Glazed. And as you can see, the name of the palette is Melon. It has all the vibrant colors of pinks, red, yellow, and orange. The pigments are great, so great, and the shimmers are great as well. Very affordable. It's only $136 per palette in Shopee. It's highly pigmented, great for practice and creating looks. And another one from Shopee is this face and body paint, and it's very affordable. It's only 185 pesos, but it's from China, so medyo may katagalan nung na-order ko siya kasi it was during ECQ pa. You want to be careful and precise on this one kasi if it gets near to your eye fold, since hindi siya smudge proof, didikit talaga yung color dun sa fold ng eyes or pelikmata mo. Yes, I was not able to film the foundation application part of this look, but just to let you know, I use Benefit Hello Flawless Brightening Foundation. I hope I said it right. So since masyado siyang maputi or it's working as bright as I expected, I need to warm my face with a bronzer, and I'm using Hoola Benefit bronzer. So now I'm trying to put some seeds to the watermelon using Careline eyeliner, and so it's harder than I thought when you wanted to show it on the camera. So next is blush, and I'm using NARS Wanted Cheek palette. Next is this brow mascara from MAC. And I'm adding lashes, and I'm using Slay from Paulash. Their lashes are so lightweight, very affordable, and sobrang maganda ang quality, and it's easy to work with. So now I'm just gonna be adding some mascara from Teviant. Not forgetting my lower lashes. For my lips, I'm using BLK Creamy All Over Paint in Coco Crush. And I'm spraying some mist again to set the look. And some highlighter too from Becca, and this is Champagne Pop. So this is my watermelon glam look, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.